Hey guys, I want to give you a guide for fixing low testosterone without extreme diets or crazy workouts. If you think boosting testosterone means nothing but hardcore training or just eating nothing but steak, you need to think again. Here's the easiest way to increase your testosterone and feel incredible starting today. Guys, if y'all are feeling kind of sluggish throughout the day, not a lot of energy, maybe low libido, find it hard to concentrate, it could be an indication that you have low testosterone. So I'm just going to give you 3 quick tips on things that you can tweak in your daily life that could make a big difference. All right, the first tip, guys, deals with sleep. If you didn't know already, the vast majority of your testosterone produced every day is made at night while you're sleeping, especially the deep REM sleep. So if you're not getting really good quality sleep, that is going to be a huge factor when it comes to your testosterone levels. So there's some other videos on this channel. You can just type in sleep with the search engine here and check them out. But I mean, there's some simple things. I mean, obviously you want to have your room as dark as possible. Avoid a lot of blue light off your TV or your cell phone right before you go to bed. Cold room studies show that when the room is cold, it's much easier for you to go to sleep. And then, of course, you're shooting for 7, 8, maybe even 9 hours for some guys. And it's not just the fact that you're laying in bed for 8 hours. That's not really sleep, okay? You need to make sure you're getting really good quality sleep. I didn't realize this, but a couple years ago, I had the same problem. And I got diagnosed with sleep apnea, all right? Normally, you think of guys that are really overweight and older having sleep apnea. It turns out, I didn't realize this. When I went to get my CPAP machine, I sleep with a CPAP every night. You know, it's pumps air into your nose. I went to pick it up, and the guy that was selling it to me, he explained that he has tons of professional athletes here in Dallas, Texas, come in and buy these machines. So you got other guys that are on, you know, the Dallas Cowboys, the Dallas Mavericks, the Dallas Stars, which is our hockey team. He wouldn't give me exact names, but he said I would be blown away by how many just totally jacked 29-year-old professional athletes get diagnosed with sleep apnea. So that could be a big part of your low T problem. Tip number 2 is really simple, guys. You know, there's all kinds of chemicals that are getting into our body. I mean, we're eating them, we're drinking them, and they're being absorbed through our skin. All right, tons and tons and tons of chemicals. This are just a couple that you might want to check, okay? When you're showering, check your shampoo and your soap. Look on the back of the bottle, look at the ingredients. See if it has any parabens in your soap and your shampoo, because studies have shown that parabens can get absorbed through your skin and can really disrupt your endocrine system, which means you end up not making as much testosterone as you should be. So if that's the case, you need to switch your shampoo and your soap to another product that just doesn't have these parabens. And the final tip, guys, is avoid, if you're one of those guys that loves doing those long, boring cardio sessions, avoid it. All right? I'm not saying don't do cardio. I do some cardio. But when I'm talking about doing cardio, you know, go out and run a couple miles, maybe 3 miles, okay? But some guys really get into these marathon type things. You know, they might run 20, 30 miles a week. They might get on their bicycle and go, you know, 100 miles a week. And it's those long cardio sessions that can put a lot of stress on your body, and stress can create cortisol. So cortisol is a hormone that you produce when your body's under stress. And the problem with it is the more cortisol you make, the less testosterone you can make. They use the same enzyme, okay? Your body uses the same enzyme to make testosterone and cortisol. So the more of that enzyme that's being used for cortisol, it means the less of that enzyme is available for your body to make testosterone. So stick with your cardio, just don't overdo it, guys. So 3 simple tips. None of that stuff was extreme. No crazy diets, no killer workouts, just some simple things you can change real easily in your day-to-day life. And then it'll only work though if you stick with it and never give up on yourself.
And guys, if you're struggling to build muscle or lose your gut and get lean, I'm looking for 5 dedicated men who want to go from average to impressive in the next 16 weeks. I want you to imagine getting looks at the beach as your newly forged chest and arms turn heads. I want you to picture in your head the pride you'll feel when you finally take off your shirt without reservation, revealing a lean midsection that showcases your dedication and hard work. To apply for this 16-week transformation, you must meet the following criteria. First, you must be at least 40 years old, no exceptions. Second, you must be able to dedicate at least 45 minutes per workout, a minimum of 3 times per week. And you can do these workouts at the gym or at your home, it's up to you. And finally, you must be able to start right away. So if that's you and you're ready to embrace a new and much improved body and life, brimming with self-confidence and capturing more attention from that special someone in your life, then click the link below and fill out the short application. From there, I'll contact you directly via text or email within 24 to 48 hours. And if we determine that we're a good fit to work together, we'll get started right away. Now, there is an investment because when money is involved, you obviously put in far more effort and consistency. That's why I'm putting my heart and soul into helping you build an attention-grabbing physique that blows guys half your age out of the water. And I expect you to be 100% committed as well. So click the link in the description below, fill out the short application form, and we'll talk soon. Did you find this video helpful? If so, please click the like button below, as it will significantly help out our channel. And guys, remember, always stick with it and never give up on yourself.